Sometimes making kids have chapatis can be a pretty tiresome job. How about giving the chapatis a pizza-like twist that would be both delicious and healthy? Kids are sure to drool over this and mummies can remain rest assured. Hello friends, welcome back to yet another episode on Food Snippets. Presenting you a healthy snack recipe using chapati today with a secret ingredient that can be prepared in a jiffy. Let's check out the recipe now. I'll be using the secret ingredient which is besan to prepare the base here. Take half cup of besan in a bowl. To this, add 1 large finely chopped green chilli, salt and red chilli powder as per your taste, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, 3 teaspoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and mix in. Include water little at a time and prepare a thick batter. Make sure not to make the batter too flowy. Top the batter with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Combine everything together. Heat a pan and drizzle some oil on top. Place a chapati on the tawa, preferably the leftover ones. Gently spread the prepared batter over it. You could also include additional vegetables like chopped capsicum or grated carrots in this batter. Pour a teaspoon of oil on top. Cook covered on low flame. Open the lid and carefully flip over the chapati. Cook till the other side turns golden brown. Finally, with the help of a pizza cutter or a knife, cut the chapati into 4 portions. This serves as a perfect evening snack by munching them hot with tomato ketchup. For more such unique makeovers, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.